So welcome back. So this video, let me quickly show you how you can save your contacts directly with generic name. So in this video, let me just quickly walk you through how you can use autosave contact to save contact on your device automatically without you saving contact, okay, by yourself. And this is for business, mostly for business owners, people that do generate leads daily, tons of leads daily. So this video will help you on how you can autosave contacts to your device, either on your WhatsApp or directly to your phone. So let's get started. So what you need to do, you need this app, this particular app. Can you see? You need this particular app. So once you click on it, so I have it already. So if you have it, you just need to do some sign up. So once you sign up on this device, so you just sign up, but make sure don't use your name, don't use number, use email. Okay, click on sign up with email, with Google email. So once you click on sign up with email, so it will log in directly, it will sign up. You just pick one of your contact, one of your email, and it will sign up directly. So what are the settings you need to do? Because you need to do some certain settings on this app. If you don't do it, the number will not be saved. But firstly, before I do that, let me show you how you can create this group I created like this. So firstly, you need to add group. Click on add group. Once you click on group, maybe you want to, let me just add another group. Let me say faceless YouTube. So faceless YouTube. So now maybe I'm running ads on Facebook now, maybe, or I'm expecting leads from this particular faceless YouTube. So when I want my number to be saved with faceless YouTube, I just click on, I choose the name and I click on done. So you see, I've clicked on done. So now if I want to make it as default, like any new number that message me now, it will save with this faceless YouTube. So now I will now click and hold. So you need to click and hold the group. So if you brought up something like this, you can see select as default group. So if you want it to save as default group, click this one. So if you want your contact to be saved, you just click on it and hold it. So you can see select as default group. So you brought out all the contacts saved on this particular group. So now I want to send them an SMS to them. If you want to send SMS, so you can also use it to send SMS. So you click here and it will brought you to where you will send them SMS, and they will charge you as per rate that the network do charge per messages do you get on each message. So you can also use it to send SMS to your leads, okay, directly to their phone. So if you don't want to use WhatsApp, so the next thing I want to show you also, you need to come to this option here, that three dotted line at the top left corner here, this one. So you need to click on it and go to settings. So you can see some certain settings here. So to click on settings, so once you click on settings, you need to enable WhatsApp. If you want people, new contact on WhatsApp to be saved on your device, click this one, must be on, okay, you must on it. So and this one, maybe call, if someone new number call you and you wanted to save also, this is the button for it, so you need to on it again. So auto save contact incoming calls to save to your group. So this is it, okay, can you see? So you need to on it. So make sure all the settings are on based on your own interest. So that is that for that. So now I want to show you where settings, another setting. So now you need to come to this option here. You need to come to this menu and click on your app, hold it, and it will bring out this option. So I will go to app info. So from this app info here, I want to do something here. Come to this mobile Wi-Fi. I think you can see what I'm saying. Mobile Wi-Fi. So you can click on it, okay, and this option on restricted data usage, let it be, leave it like this, okay, don't on it, make sure it is off, okay. So that is first settings. And the second one, this permission, okay, if you want your call log to be there, like permission, like your call log, you want your autosave to save new number that to your call logs, give it permission, okay. So just leave it. I just advise you to just leave it like this, okay. Give call logs, contact, phone, files, okay, all the numbers coming to your call logs, and coming that you are receiving calls from anyone, any new number will be saved directly to your device. You cannot save it, you cannot receive it to your own name that you want to save that particular name, do you get? So that is that for this settings. Make sure it is set up like this, okay. So the next thing, now I want to go to my settings now. So I want to show you something, and I want to show you here, but let me just go back to settings so it will be easier. So come to settings. So once you come to settings, just search for notification access. So let me search for notification access. Notification access. So as you can see, this is notification access on my device. So you come to notification access. You can see click on notification access, and you come to your autosave. You can see this in my autosave, so it is allowed. So always allow notification access. Okay, allow notification access. I think this is the third settings. Okay, the first settings on your phone, the second one it is mobile Wi-Fi, and leave it unrestricted, and the next one it is call log, and this one is the fourth settings. Make sure you set everything up. Okay, this notification access on it. Okay, and which is the, I think this one is the fifth one, I think, which is the last one. Okay, just go back to your phone and come down to where you will see where is it, power marathon. Do you get power marathon? I don't know, maybe it is power or anything it might show on your own device like that. Okay, power marathon, just click on power marathon. Okay, advanced settings, you can see advanced settings, click on advanced settings. So screen off sleep, this one you can see screen off sleep. That means screen off sleep means like when your phone off, when the backlight off, when your phone is off, the app will also off. I think you get my point. Once it is off, the app also will also off. If your device light is off, your phone will also off. So you need to come here and can you see? Wait, let me find it. As you can see, it is off. So you need to toggle it off. So whenever your phone is off, it will not off. Whenever your phone is off, the app will not off. I think you get the point now. So that is that for this settings here. So I want to show you one more thing. Let me go back and show you. So now let's head out to our app info. Let me show you something also. Okay, let me show you. Come to this app again and hold it. Okay, click and hold it and click on app info. Once you click on this app info, just come down here and click on battery. Do you see? Click on battery. This battery. Can you see battery? So click on battery and make sure you click here again. Your app is not optimized. Okay, you see, not optimized. So if you click here now, all apps, you will see that these autosave contacts are not there. Can you see? So click on it again. So if you can't find, if you just downloaded the autosave contact, you will not find this particular option. It will be on all apps, so it will not be on not optimized. Now what not optimized do is that it will be working on background. But if you put it on all apps, if you remove it from, let me click on it now, and I put it optimizing battery use. That means because this battery, let me just put it like this, let me just tell you the truth. Like if you optimize the battery will it will make the battery to last. This one will not be working background. So any apps that work on background will be sucking the battery. Okay, will be sucking. I think you understand. So if you want this autosave contact to be working, you know the reason why you downloaded the app, and you won't mind you that you are doing business and you don't want that stress, and you want all your apps working on background. You are running data. If you are using data, you don't need to be bother yourself about battery. So I just want you to let you know the reason what it means by not optimized. So leave it on not optimized, and I'm very sure, and I want to tell you that if it is not optimized, the app didn't consume much data. Okay, much battery. It didn't consume much battery. That is just the fact today. Okay, that is just the fact. So don't bother yourself about that. Let it be on not optimized, because your app will say small, it will be working small, it will off, you will need to go and on it again. So okay, so let it be not optimized, not optimized, not optimized. So your app will be here. Let me just remove it from here. Let me show you again. As you can see, optimizing by battery use. So now you see the app is not here again. So I will now go to all apps again. I will now find the app. This is the app. Can you see? So not optimized. Can you see now? So it is not optimized now. So I will now go back. So that is the settings. And let me add one more thing. So eventually, if you just download this app, if the app have not mastered your phone very well, maybe it might say 100, it might say 50 and stop working. Do you get? And make sure, maybe let me just put it like this: if you stop working, just come here, clear cache like this, come back and first stop it and open it again. If you continue working, it is when you notice, maybe if you just recently downloaded it, but if you have downloaded it like 2 days or 3 days or 4 days, all this thing it is not necessary for you to be for stopping it again. But peradventure it might occur like that. Please, if you find it like that, you should just notice that 2 numbers just enter, or 1 number entered, and immediately it is not saved. Make sure, and you notice that it is not saved, just come here and clear the cache and for stop it, mostly for stop it, but at times I do clear the cache, and I will advise you to clear the cache also. Clearing the cache is deleting all the junks on the app, and also for stop the app, and it will continue working, and open it and it will continue working. Once you have done all the settings, I promised you this auto save cutter will continue working forever. If you understand this video and you get it right, please let me know. So thank you and God bless you.